On this installment of Building Wildflower Ice Cream here on social media with you here on our journey from 0 to $1 million in revenue, I'm going to be going over why I have an office in the back of the ice cream shop. If you're brand new here, welcome. I'm Steve. I've built multiple 7- and 8-figure businesses, and I'm building a family-owned brick and mortar ice cream shop publicly here on social media with you to help other families start their own businesses. There are over 30 million family-owned businesses in the United States alone, let alone the world where there's probably hundreds of millions. So we're breaking down this process every single step of the way, all the way down to our floor plan. And today I'm going to be talking about why that little office is going to be so important. So while we're going to be shooting content in this room, I'm going to be talking all about the inventory that's going on in this room, and of course everything and all the craziness that goes on in that main storefront. The front of house is always going to be the most exciting, and being able to talk about all the different chaos that goes into the menu and our different price points, as well as our inventory, how we're tracking it, and the tools that we use are going to be super exciting. But for today, that office is going to be only 113 square feet. And that may seem small to a lot of people, but it is all that you need. So the second reason, and for a lot of people that are following this journey and messaging me about this little 113 square foot space, is I believe that small family-owned businesses in the future are going to be partially media companies. I think that having a little space like this dedicated to shooting content and sharing the story, menu updates, ingredients, all of these things socially with fans and customers and other families and customers out there, I think that is so valuable and very underrated. So my goal in sharing a lot of this sort of radically transparently is so that people can jump on and really understand the importance of connecting with people on social. So if you know someone that owns a family-owned business, or you're running one on your own, or you have a family member that runs a business, give us a follow and follow the journey as we eventually shoot videos in this back room when it's fully built out.